This intersection is a gift that keeps on giving.
Airport Home Appliance. Hi, I'm Chris, and it's our Labor Day sale. Save now with washers starting at...
These are all the times that my friends, family, and I have been cut off at this intersection since 2012. This is the worst intersection around for drivers cutting off other drivers. Enjoy the show. Let's not forget, the wide-angle lens on the DashCam makes objects appear further away than they really were. These cutoffs were closer than they look.
WLIT-FM Chicago. Get in the spirit with new holiday CDs from Illinois
required along that highway, CTO 8.
Crews are finishing a retaining wall where the road was underwater in December.
and they'll walk you through our streamlined process. And for
Lady didn't even look.
Hotel qualified for the grand finale. Go to the website, you can see everything we
Wow, are you kidding me? That was
Here's a go now. Now we're getting to the point in time where I started narrating our videos. Danny the delinquent douche had his entire life to be a jerk, but didn't take today off. He actually brake checks us by jamming the brakes in our path. Oopsie Olivia over here suffers from premature acceleration. Watch her carefully as I turn.
What's your final thought for us? Taking a lot of living time.
If you suffer from premature acceleration, see your doctor today. Starts to go right as I'm in front of her.
She won.
Another government shutdown still looms. No stories plus traffic and weather next on KGL. 810.
Michael, talking about it.
Everybody just wants to pull out right there. Here's an example of someone who slept all the way through driver's ed. This candidate for public ridicule not only ran her stop sign, but she never even looked our direction until honking at her.
Oh, car.
I know.
Oh,
And she's on the wrong side of the street.
what are you gonna do? They don't stop.
No.
They never stop there.
Well, that was about as embarrassing as realizing a thesaurus is not a dinosaur. No, I didn't honk because I love Jesus. It's because oncoming traffic means absolutely nothing to Turd Brain Tom.
Who clearly has places to go, regardless of any collateral damage that may cause.
This This intersection is an ongoing problem, which is why I drive slow in this direction.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Bitch.
God, you're just gonna run that.
God damn.
Yes, she actually tried to run the stop sign while looking only 6 inches in front of where she was going.
Well, when you're a female porn star, you only need to see 6 inches in front of you.
In other words, she needs a dual-purpose channel called Bangtastic TV, which would be appropriate for both her X-rated content and the car crashes she causes.
You got it.
So, this man's an impressively incompetent imbecile. Not only does he run the stop sign, he also never once looks our direction, until the honk. You know this intersection well. There's always someone trying to sneak out, like a fart you just can't quite trust. Frumpy Felix can't be trusted either.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, what is wrong? This actually would have been just fine if dimwit Darla had turned in a timely manner, but instead she nearly stops in our path. Why? Just to turn left again. Her driving is as useful as a butthole with taste buds. This always happens here. People rarely stop at the stop sign and then turn without looking to their right. Crap head Kathy is a Category 5 turd nugget who does what they all do. With ABS systems nowadays, the only skid marks are in my underwear. This debacle on wheels from J. Pena Plumbing out of Napa runs the stop sign to make a weird U-turn on the wrong side of the street and ends up causing a traffic disruption and confusion. That was about as painful as a high colonic using battery acid.
When you're not with your kids, and alert you to signs of potential problems. Learn more at
This is a consistent problem here. People pull out without looking both ways. Drivers failing to yield. He pulled out the way his father should have pulled out. After running the stop sign, he cuts me off. On video, it doesn't look like much of a cutoff, but only because I slowed way down sooner, maintaining this gap between us. But in fact, he did cut me off because I had to take evasive action. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.